Want to translate your videos into different languages using AI like this?
Feel motivated at all. Si vamos a levantarnos por la mañana o a tener un periodo de tiempo durante el día en el que nos sintamos capaces de perseguir objetivos, तो हमें एक healthy baseline level की ज़रूरत होगी.
It's amazing now. You don't need to hire any voiceover artist or translator for this. ElevenLabs has a video dubbing feature, and it literally dubs your videos in a few minutes. No joke, you can dub your video into 29 different languages, and it sounds super natural, not robotic or weird. So, how do you use it? Head over to your ElevenLabs dashboard, and on the right side you'll see dubbing. Click on that, and first, you need to create a dub project. Put your project name here, like mine is dub. Then, select your source language, mine's English, and choose the language you want to dub into. I'll pick Hindi for now. Now, you can upload either a video or audio file from your laptop, or directly paste a YouTube, TikTok, or any other link. Super handy. It'll then ask if you want to create a dubbing project. Select Yes. This lets you preview your dub, edit transcripts, fix any mistakes, and adjust settings before downloading. Untick the watermark option unless you want their logo on your video. Next, select how many speakers are in your video. I've got just one. You can also set the time range you want to dub. And if you don't want the AI to clone your voice, you can disable that too. Finally, hit Create Dub and give it a couple of minutes. It's done. Now click on Result and it'll open the editor. Here, you can see both your original video and the dubbed version side by side. You can review your voice, script, and everything else. Once you're happy with it, just hit Export to download your final video. And the best part? You get 10,000 characters free to try it out when you sign up. I've dropped my link down below. Use it to grab those free credits. And if you like it, the creator plan has all the extra cool stuff unlocked too.